Have you ever asked yourself, how do these things work? Although we use tools like these every day to send text messages, play games, search the internet, retrieve documents, and more, we seldom stop to ask ourselves what goes on inside these tools to make them work. In the simplest terms, a computer is a machine that follows instructions. It is comprised of hardware, which is the physical parts of a computer, and software, which acts as instructions, telling a computer what to do. There are all kinds of computers. The kind you are probably most familiar with is a personal computer, like a laptop, tablet, and even a smartphone. The tiniest smartphone to the biggest computer all rely on the same components to make them work, like the motherboard, for example. This is one of the most important physical parts of a computer. It is a large circuit board that just about everything else inside the computer connects to. But the motherboard is useless without the central processing unit, sometimes called the CPU. Its job is to carry out commands it is given. For example, when someone presses a key or clicks a mouse, they are sending instructions to the CPU. Some people refer to the CPU as the brains of the computer. Some people think of the motherboard as the computer's base of operations. How does a computer store information? Well, random access memory, or RAM, is the system's short-term memory. Whenever a computer does something, that data is temporarily stored in the RAM until it is needed. But for long-term storage, computers rely on the hard drive. This is where data is saved even when the computer is turned off or unplugged. A hard drive stores files, software, documents, music, pictures, and more. There are many other important computer components too, like the power supply, the network card, and of course, all of the input and output devices we use like keyboards, mice, microphones, and more. And for video viewers and video game players, the video card is a very important piece of hardware. It is responsible for what we see on the screen. This combination of hardware and software is what make computers work, but what's really important is the one thing responsible for how a computer is used, and that's you.